English together.
Long time no see.
Hi, Jimmy. Long time no see.
Hi, Alex. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. I'm busy at the hair salon. Many people want new haircuts. What about you?
I'm busy too. I work a lot at the garage. Today I fixed a big car. It was not easy.
Wow, that's a lot of work.
Yes, but I like my job. I like fixing cars. Do you still like cutting hair?
Yes, I do. I like meeting people. I like making them happy with their hair.
That's nice. You always like to help people.
Thanks. How is your dogger?
She's good. She is 4 now. She likes to sing and dance. She makes me laugh every day.
That's sweet. I remember when she was a baby. She is growing fast.
Yes, very fast. Kids change so quickly.
True. My son just started playing soccer. He loves it so much.
That's great. It's good when kids like something.
Yes, it is. We should catch up more often, Jimmy.
Definitely. Let's not wait so long next time.
Sounds good. Take care, Junie.
You too, Alex. See you soon.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.